Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh, and right now, my friend, I am in my field. So that is the grass field. Right now, I'm here in my grass field. 1 second, I'm coming. That is the grass field. I will show you. Okay, so that is the bamboo tree. So, my friend, I have come here to bring the bundle of grass. So, my mom and dad they have cut the grass and they tied that bundle of grass and they left that grass here because they actually do not lift much weight, but they said they actually they said they kept their bundle of kept their bundle of grass here nearby the bamboo tree. But what can I see? I'm seeing that there is no bundle of grass, so that's the thing. Yes. Hmm. So okay, so right now I'm just searching where is the bundle of grass. I will show you that two kids they actually have come along with me. Actually there is some fruits. Okay, so I brought that kid to give them that fruit. So I plucked that fruit and I served that fruit to that kid. I will show you that fruit. That fruit name I don't know. Like in our village, we will say like akhe. Okay, but that is called small strawberry. I can say that is a small strawberry. So I will show you that fruit. Yeah. Okay, my friends. So I'm going to show you that fruits, what that fruits look like. We can see here, this is red. The color of that small fruit is red. That is a small strawberry. We can see. Okay. So what we call in this fruit in our village, akhe. So actually they actually ate that akhe. Very sweet. Their taste is very sweet and little bit sour. Okay. Now what I can see in my slipper. My slipper has broken down, and it's very difficult to walk properly. So my friend, I'm going back to my home. So okay, and I will also show you that fruits. That fruit name is peach. It's actually not ripen right now. It's unripe. So it will be ripen after 15 days. So we will also enjoy that fruit also. And this tree is a beer. No, that is a pear tree. So many pears actually are there in this tree also. So now I am going back to my home. Two kids also walking along with me. So which kind of fruits did you eat? कैसे fruit खाया आपने? आखे. So was it tasty? Tasty थे? टेस्टी थे. क्या थे? कैसे थे? Tasty. Okay. That is a small kids. Okay. Their language is very funny. Okay. Okay, my friend. We will meet in next video. Right now, I'm going to close. I'm going to close this video.